Oh shit, what's up, man? Welcome back to Black Boy TV. Look, man, I'm finna get ready to make my own authentic chalupas. Since I'm trying not to go out and eat at restaurants all the time, you know, I'm already trying to work on the physique or whatever. Anywho, I need y'all to comment, like, and subscribe. Let's get into this video. Black Boy.
Hold up your bag, or look at the ass. You gon' have to show me how you put on your swag. Fucker, please show me how you get in your bag. On the sauce, you a boss when you drip in the bag. I can take your cute shot to keep on your mag.
So just to get into it, got an avocado over there, some tomatoes. Of course, I got the pita bread, some scallions, mushrooms. Gotta have the white onion, sour cream. We got the Fiesta blend of cheese. There we go. Ground beef. Alright, let's get into it. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right on back in this thing. The first thing you're gonna wanna do, you're gonna wanna chop up, use some of those tomatoes, a couple of those onions. See, I got these mushrooms going. We're gonna build what you call a flavor profile. Man, chop up the goddamn vegetables, man. Let's get it to it. So you're gonna, of course, cook your ground beef. I always just season my ground beef with salt, black pepper. Right next to it, we got our vegetables cooking. Reducing a little bit before we add it to the ground beef. Make sure you drain that of all that grease that is nasty and unhealthy stuff. Drain that grease off of there. Reduce your vegetables. I added to this some basil, some curry powder, some chili powder, and a little bit of chili sauce, like the little chili pack. But yeah, man, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Now look, I am super aware everybody don't like onions, mushrooms, tomatoes. So you can easily substitute. You can use green peppers. You can put artichoke in it. Anything, man. You don't necessarily have to use these ingredients, but I just like the flavor of the onion, the mushroom, and the tomato together. Alright, I'm going to let it cook just a little longer. I'm going to take it off, and we're going to start getting ready to prep it so I can put them in the oven to get all gooey and cheesy. And then we'll come back, and I'll end up topping and showing y'all the finished products of my homemade chalupa. Chalupa, chalupa, chalupa. I'm sorry, y'all. Forgive me. Alright, so first thing I'm gonna do, take a little bit of that cheese, place it on that pita like that. See what I'm saying? Then we're just gonna go over here, scoop some of this meat out. Scoop some of this meat out, pause, no homo. See that right there? Hold on, let me do the other three. Alright, so as you can see, I got them cheese top to bottom. I'm gonna get ready to put them in the oven, let them melt a little bit. It'll also soften that bread just a little bit. Come on, man, we making homemade chalupas, you know what I'm saying? On guard with the pita, you feel me? Let go. Ooh. See that guy that came out the oven on y'all ass, boy? See that guy that came out the oven on y'all, boy? Alright, so while I'm letting that cool down, cause that little glass right there, man, that shit be hot as fuck. While I'm letting that cool down, I'm gonna go over here and prep my stuff that I'm gonna top it with. Oh, y'all thought that was it? Now I gotta bring my toppings in. Make that thing look professional. Make that thing look authentic. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, y'all. I'm thirsty. Forgive me. Alright, gonna make that thing look good, man. Let's go. Let's see what we're gonna top it with. Of course, to it, we're gonna add some more of the tomatoes, some of the scallion for some garnish and for some flavor. and of course the avocado. And let's not forget the secret, man. That's the secret right there, man. My shit light, man, but you know what I'm saying. That's the fucking secret, man. Check that out. We finna get into it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Let's go. I need y'all to get into it. I need y'all to get into it. Homemade chalupas, you feel me? I need y'all to get into it, man. Let me give y'all that high angle. Give y'all that high angle. Got the avocado sitting in there. A little sour cream. Cheese and meat going on, you understand me? Yeah, man. Get you a fat nigga, man. That's all I'm saying. Get you a fat nigga, man. Look at that shit, man. Look at that shit, man. Look at that shit, man. Alright, so that's it for this video. Homemade chalupas. I'll be doing some more cooking videos probably as the days go on. Still waiting to do a lot of videos with other people, so you know. Again, like, comment, subscribe. Try it out, man. Do a video, man. Try it out and show me you like it, man. Plan boy.